keeper guessed wrong and he's scored the penalty. Great penalty. The goalkeeper does have what it takes to go home with a bronze cup. Done. Willock with the ball now. They've taken it down the wing. Well timed then. Great defending.
And the goalkeeper eases the pressure.
Ah, good passing on display.
He did well to win the ball back.
Ah, he's played it long. Defender is on the ball.
Really good possession here. And he's clear of the defence, but can he finish it?
And he shoots. Great reflexes from the keeper.
Well cut out.
Gonçalves in possession. He loves to run with the ball.
Is this the moment?
Of relief. Completed the pass. Moving down the flanks here.
Is this the moment?
A short pass from the keeper.
Great understanding between this team. Well, not too many talking points in that opening 45 minutes. Let's hope the half-time team talk substitutes for the second half. Well read.
He's got the ball at his feet.
Oh, not a great challenge. It's Cook. Oh, this is crisp passing.
This is Willock.
Is this a goal? Keeper glad to...
Gonçalves in possession. Poor tackle there. Finds his teammate.
And this really takes the pressure off the defence.
Subs are coming on and changes are being made.
Oh, it's a clear chance.
He just couldn't keep it down. Volleyed on. Great dribbling. The referee has to do something about it. Neither team has scored yet, but things may be about to change. Some really fluid passing on display. It's looking increasingly likely we're heading into extra time.
He's got the goal in his sights, and he hits it.
What a goal! Fantastic stuff. Confident pass. He dribbles the ball forward. It's there. He scored with just... I hope they can grab another goal. They're moving the ball about so well. It's a tight game. Can they create something with this attack? No pressure here, they're firmly in control. And he's won it back for his team. So it's full time, it's still level, and the match goes into extra time. Keeper guessed wrong, and he's scored the penalty. Great penalty. The goalkeeper dived the right way, but still couldn't get near it. Denied by the keeper. The goalkeeper guessed right there, but the shot was just too good. The player takes a deep breath. Can he convert? The keeper guessed correctly. Oh, and he's missed it completely. He sent the goalkeeper the wrong way. It comes down to this. He has to score, otherwise it's all over. Oh, confidently taken and made no mistake putting it away. One kick away from victory, that's all. And the goalkeeper's gone the right way and kept out the shot. Oh, the keeper didn't even have to move. Terrible penalty. This could be the last kick of the game. He gave the keeper the eyes and scored the penalty. One kick away from victory, that's all. The bar denies him. Neatly put away. Great composure. All the pressure now on the penalty taker. He has to score. Oh, he's missed that crucial penalty.